कि अगर रिलीजन होगा तो क्या ये श्योरिटी होगी कि सुसाइड नहीं होगी? क्योंकि देन सम पीपल टेंड टू इंटरप्रेट इट बैकवर्ड्स कि उसने सुसाइड इसलिए की क्योंकि उसका इस्लाम से ताल्लुक नहीं था।
See, that is a very important question, Azam, and I think it is. This is the value of research, that you don't make generalizations like that. So you're absolutely right. So the study that I did, the psychological autopsy study, in which I studied 100 cases of suicide and matched them with 100 living controls, I found that almost 2/3 of the people had moderate to high religiosity. Okay, 97 of these 100 were Muslims. So religiosity is the practice of the religion. It is not simply what religion you are, but the practice of it. So 2/3 had either moderate degree of religiosity or high degree of religiosity, जिसके अंदर ये चीजें जो हमने measure की थी, things like हज किया है, उम्रा किया है, do they fast, do they pray, and so on and so forth. So religion as a whole might be protective, but then individual factors start to come in. For example, if someone is clinically depressed, is a very good Muslim, but is clinically depressed, and that depression may be driven by biological factors. There's a very strong family history, for example, which means there is genetic overloading for depression. But this person is a very good Muslim, has done everything that one would require. सारी चीजें करते हैं वो, उसके बावजूद they became depressed, and as part of depression they went towards suicide. So you can't say that depression, in this particular case, this man was not a strong Muslim. He failed as a Muslim, and that's why he died by suicide. No. So you've really got to take into account all of these different contributory factors also, and you also need to really see at what level is that factor working. For example, job, we know, is a very important protective factor. We know children are protective factors. We know that having a good support system is a protective factor, and we know religion is a protective factor also. But these protective factors may work at different levels in different people. So, for example, in a woman, the religion may be working at a lower level, but children might be the highest level, the last threshold for them to cross before they will say, I can't live anymore. So we really got to look at all the factors, and you really need to look at what level is a certain factor working for which person.